Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red line specifically is coming from. If you did watch, the video, talked about this here being, that key trend line, and that level was broken going into the close, and then that carried on with the momentum as the price, gapped up today, and then after the gap up, actually ran all the way here, up to that point right there. Unfortunately, after that point, it was pretty much all bears the rest of the day as the price fell all the way back down to that trend line. But more specifically, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but look right where it stopped, that purple line there. And as I've said in past videos, from a bigger picture perspective, that purple line is definitely, the key area of support. So as far as breaking out, kind of a failed breakout because the price went right back to where it all started. But that was just looking at today in and of itself. So today is in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, the overall trend is still bullish. Again, what gives me the right to say that after such a big pullback? Well, like I said, looking at multiple days, you can see the price is still up above that purple line there, and that's definitely the key level of support you would ideally want to see hold. In the event that purple line does not hold, the next level of support to keep an eye on would be down around the $1.90 mark. But so far, so good. That purple line is indeed holding strong. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, seems to be right up here around $2.25. So $2.25 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, from a big picture point of view, resistance levels really don't matter that much. What matters the most is just building higher bases. So as long as the price can keep on building higher bases, picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps are constructed in the upwards direction, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So sure, a failed breakout today of the trend line, but grand scheme of things, the bulls are still in full control of the trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.